Hello, my name is Andreas Eckel and I'm working for TTTech Computer Technik AG. I coordinate the Eurostars project SAFE. I'm very glad introducing to you major TTTech results. Firstly, TTTech has developed a safety layer software. This software package enables designers to use AUTOSAR QM basic software within safety relevant applications up to Automotive Safety Integrity Level D, so-called ASIL D. The software guarantees freedom from interference and manages related timing and memory aspects in order to fulfill such requirements. Secondly, we have developed a safety ECU hardware based on an ARM TSM570 microcontroller satisfying particular safety requirements. This prototype PCB will be used up to ASIL D in its final production level design. The motor test stand setup uses an inverter unit 1, orange box, to drive the motor by applying the motor phase voltage corresponding to the driver's input derived from the acceleration pedal. The green box is the MMU for the drive motor unit 1. The TTTech safety layer software runs on this motor management unit 1 as well as the ASIL D application software translating the driver's input about acceleration into a phase voltage for the MMU1. The MMU1 measures the phase voltage and currents of the motor 1. If a deviation of the intended phase voltage from the measured value obtained in motor control unit 1 is detected, the motor management unit 1 will short-circuit the motor phase voltage and it will stop. Thus, control of the wheel motor 1 can be guaranteed also in case of a failure within the inverter unit 1 driving the motor 1. Behind me you see the setup of the SAFE motor test stand. There are two engines installed, one motor with 100 kilowatts for driving the powertrain and the other one for simulating the load of the motor. However, we don't need the load motor today for this demonstration. We have inserted these two connectors on the measurement line for the powertrain motor 1 phase voltage. Pulling out one of these two connectors interrupts the line for the measurement of the phase voltage. Thus it will significantly deviate from the expected drive phase voltage. The motor management unit 1 will short-circuit the phase voltage and the drive motor 1 will stop. The MMU1 needs to be intentionally released in order to allow reapplying the motor voltage again. Thus, by simply reconnecting the phase voltage measurement line, no voltage will be applied to the motor unit 1 again, since we have not yet released the blocking mechanism of MMU1. This is exactly what will be happening when I pull out this connector and reconnect it again. As you can see, the shaft of motor 1 stops rotating and does not start again after reconnecting the measurement line as expected. We are very glad that we herewith are able to provide means enabling customers to use already existing non-safety relevant software in combination with safety relevant software building blocks which can provide highly safety relevant functionality for the automotive industrial domain. TTTech herewith supports application developers to reuse existing non-safety relevant software building blocks in highly safety relevant up to ASIL D compliant applications, reducing development time and cost and reducing the risk to reuse proven software elements.